If you are looking for a good screen protector for your Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display, in this video I'm going to apply the ZAGG Glass Elite Screen Protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. And here they say 5x stronger tempered glass screen protector, and it has an easy apply and impact and scratch protection. Now, since the inner display has already a pre-installed screen protector, so I'm not really worried about it. However, the outer display doesn't have a screen protector, and if you plan to not install any kind of case or cover, surely you will need a glass screen protector for your outer display. And the Samsung original one, which is white, has an anti-reflection coating. However, I don't like film screen protectors, and I prefer a tempered glass one. Protect better. Let's see. Okay, so inside we got the frame, a good quality frame. You can also register it for a lifetime warranty. So in case anything happened to your screen protector, you can always request for a replacement. That's a good side of ZAGG screen protectors, that they have a lifetime warranty, limited lifetime warranty. So be sure to register your protector when you purchase it. Anyway, here inside you get alcohol wipe, and you get a dust removing sticker and a cloth, a microfiber cloth, and you get the installation manual. Here they say to clean it, place the phone in the frame, peel the tab 1, align it, brace, and peel top layer, and wipe with cloth. So pretty straightforward. I suppose the side here we got the glass screen protector, and actually it comes only with one piece, so you got one chance to try on. So that's peel the first layer here. So pretty good screen protector. Let's see if it's going to be well. So first of all, I'm going to keep it intact. And that's it, nothing else inside. So you get one from everything, just to say. One alcohol wipe, one dust remover, one cloth. So pretty economic stuff. So don't make my mistake and put it in this way. Don't put it in this way. You will have to put the whole phone on this tray, like this. Okay, now clean the display. Brace. Keep on pressing. So they don't include any kind of squishy to remove the bubbles, so I'm going to use this one that I happen to have from SPIGEN, and I'm going to move all the bubbles away. But don't worry, because this one is the outer screen protector as well, like the film on top, the top layer. But however, so you don't need to worry about scratching it. You can scratch it as much as you want, because we are going to remove it anyway. Just try to get all the bubbles while it's on it. And there we go. Now we can try to remove them. And after spending some time trying with it and just trying to adjust it, here you can see, I'm going to show you now the final result. And you can see for yourself now, we can just remove the frame. And there you have it, 0 bubbles whatsoever. And it actually looks quite durable. You can look at the thickness of the glass actually. Would you look at that? You will feel that it's actually a bit thicker in terms of the glass screen protector, and it actually looks quite premium. Like, except for the fact that it has this teardrop uncovered. However, in my opinion, it's actually very, very nice looking screen protector. And I got 0 bubbles using just the standard methods, using the frame, and it's aligning well with the camera, and all screen is quite protected. So here, for example, I got the SPIGEN screen protector. I just want to compare them. Look at the thickness. I'm not sure if you guys can see the thickness. However, that one looks quite thicker in comparison, like 2 times thicker than the one from SPIGEN. Not sure if you guys can see it. However, it looks kind of different. However, the good side of this one is that it protects the front camera as well, while this one has a tear down drop. However, in my opinion, it looks quite premium. As for the display clarity, since it's made with true glass, you will experience perfect clarity and color accuracy along with the authentic feel of a glass touch. However, be sure to go to settings, search for touch, and enable the touch sensitivity option. This will help improve responsiveness. So anyway, if you are looking for a good screen protector for the Z Fold 6, be sure to consider the ZAGG one. In my opinion, the good side that it also has a lifetime warranty. So yeah, it's a good screen protector in my opinion. Soon enough, I'm going to review this magnetic cooler 4 Pro, the Black Shark one, against the Black Shark 3 cooler as well, which both are MagSafe. So if you are serious about gaming on the Z Fold 6, I hope this video is going to be good for you. So be sure to subscribe to be updated on that one, as I'm going to release it next. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next one.